salve, my old friend. You've come to game with me again, because a vision of yourself deceiving left our cities burned and teammates grieving, and the rage that was planted in the chat still remains within the sound of irony. In restless pride, you stormed alone through battlefields that you don't own. 'Neath the halo of your grand delusion, you struck first, then claimed confusion when your fire scorched a teammate's humble land. You raised your hands to the sound of irony, and in the naked light I saw 10,000 troops, maybe more. You were shouting without conceding, you were crying and not heeding, and your anger marched ahead of every plan, a hollow stand built on the sound of irony. Fool said you do not know, honor like a flame must grow. Hear my rules that I am preaching, or prepare for my city breaching. But your code, like broken arrows, fell in vain and left the stain of the sound of irony. And the players looked dismayed at the irony displayed, but your banners blazed with contradiction. Tales of honor turned to fiction, and the sign flashed out in warning it was shown. Respect is not a sword,